Welcome to another educational, entertaining and funny episode on Caught on DashCam. In today's episode again we prepared the fresh and amazing content of bad drivers on the road, so watch carefully and learn from their mistakes. Important to notice is that we do not condone any violence and also nobody is injured in our videos. Enjoy.
Like this?
I just watch. It's going to, like something's busted out on the side, like the axle's broke. Like, dude, where are you gonna go with this car?
It's gonna get hairy.
Don't go too fast, buddy. Don't go too fast. I've never seen a car dog track like that before.
It's driving sideways. Uh-oh.
Oh, get out too close.
Listen, I will say this. This person driving is good.
He has learned to drive with a disability. He's bought a disabled car. What is wrong? His tire's gonna fall off. It's got to fall off. Like something's gonna snap.
I'm crying.
Could you imagine? You see the people sat in the back seat just whipping around.
They're gonna give that car a DUI, not the driver.
You kidding me?
I think you selected English. Do you want to change language? I think you selected. Do you want to change language?
No. Are you kidding me? Oh my god, what an asshat.
Are you afraid?
What the is up with all the cherries and berries today? These people are stupid.
They're oblivious.
Oh! Woo! And she wonders why her car looks like that. What the you Jesus Christ.
Damn, dog, you couldn't see my turn signal, bro?
What was your hurry?
There's a cop right here too, right? Beautiful. Were you just sitting there to...
I was just coming to get a Red Bull. I've been working a movie thing since 6 o'clock this morning.
I'm pretty sure you're up now.
Hey, this isn't for me, right?
Oh, damn. Well, all right.
issue.
Okay. I'm dealing with somebody from
Go!
Microsoft. They're trying to help
Go!
me with my firewall. Hackers on my computer too.
Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah.
Yes, that is the reason. Switch off the computer.
Well, I'm trying to go to Amazon to figure out about these hackers. They,
Oh my goodness. Madam, you haven't understand the situation yet.
well, I'm
You're
trying
just
to
thinking
help.
that...
I want to, what happened?
So what you need to do is, you need to switch off your...
Jesus Christ, what are you doing?
God will make it easier.
What the is that?
Jeddah, Saudi Arabia.
There's a name.
Oh, Anne Frank.
Musso and Frank apostrophe.
Yeah, okay.
No, it's Musso and Frank, like the one from,
The diary?
Holocaust.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking about when I said it. I don't know why I always thought it was that, and then I thought it was Musso Franks. But anyway, now we need to see the sign. But keep going.
As portrayed in Once Upon a Time in Hollywood, with the opening scenes.
Yes.
Footnotes all this. We park 2 blocks east